Cause I got you like you got me, and I'm with it if you with it. Committed, committed, committed. So please don't be scared.
What is going on, beautiful people? I am Chev. If you're new here, welcome, GWAN. Make sure to subscribe down below. So we are about to start our hair video. I just want to show you what I got in my package. We will be styling some clip-ins from Luvme hair, and listen, this has to be one of my top 5 clip-ins. Like, if it's not top 5, it's top 2, because this was too good. So the hair is a kinky curly hair. I am using 20 inches, and I just want to show you how flat these clip-ins are. Now, girl, look at my hair. Like, I did some definition to my natural hair just 2 days before, and I'm like, yeah, we feel to do some clip-ins. So my hair isn't like fully braided back. I just did some jumbo twists. And that is the beauty of clip-ins. Like, your hair could look crazy underneath it, but girl, it will come together perfectly. So I used 2 packs of this hair, and I'm just filling in each row. What I absolutely love, however, is how they package the clip-ins. Like, there were so many smaller pieces, so I didn't have to cut, because I absolutely hate cutting the wefts of my clip-ins because I feel like I'm wasting money. So they proportioned each clip-in perfectly so that you can size it and fit it right, almost as if you're doing a quick weave. And that is my thing with clip-ins. It is perfect for beginners. You don't have to worry about being a professional. Your hair will come out well. You just have to place them. And the thing is, you can remove it and put it on back. You don't have to worry about glue or nothing like that. And if you do your hair loose enough like I did, then you won't have to worry about tension, because your hair is not in a tight braid, and you're just putting the clip-ins on top of your hair and not on your roots. Let me repeat that. Do not put them on your roots, girl. You can do them as lightly as you want. So I'm just positioning my last few pieces. Like I said, I used 2 packs of the hair. Now this is what is left, the smaller pieces, and I love this because, again, I don't have to cut. They are small, they can go everywhere, they can fit in the front just perfectly to, so that I could lay the hair in the direction that I want, because I want it to be a flip over method type of vibe, so that I could do it like to the side without parting my hair, but more like looking like a flip over method. Now it is time to style the hair. And you can wash your clip-ins before you install them, but I was going somewhere today. I was going to brunch, and I didn't have time to like fully wash the clip-ins, or shampoo the clip-ins rather. So we're gonna have to style it while it's in. So I go in first with some water to loosen the tight curl pattern, because I didn't want it to be this tight. Like, girl, we need to loosen it and make it look natural. This is 100% human hair, by the way. So first I spray water, then I go in with mousse. You can use gel if you want, but I didn't want this hair to be crunchy. I wanted it to be light. I wanted it to be soft. So then I go in with my detangling brush, and I just brushed that out. It was so easy to style, and none of my clip-ins came out while I was combing it out. So you want to make sure that you're holding the hair. Hold it, and don't be tugging on your hair, okay? It's still supposed to be a protective style without the tension. So then I go in with my mousse again, and I'm just going to keep repeating the process until I am satisfied. And I love using a Denman brush or a detangling brush on this type of curl pattern, because it looks too good. So I'm just gonna continue doing that until I get to the top, and until I'm satisfied with how it's looking. And with this curl pattern, I didn't have to do a twist out or anything like that. All I did was wet it, put the mousse, or if you can use a curling cream, and that is it. Now, like I said, you can rearrange the clip-ins however you want once you're finished. I realized that I needed to switch it up a bit, just to make sure that everything is laying in a correct position that will make the most sense for my leave out. So then I had this little part here. I felt like I had too much leave out right there, so I moved one of the small ones and I put it more towards the front. So now for my leave out, like I said, I had my hair defined coily defined like a couple of days ago, so it's already like pre-coiled. So I just sprayed some water on it to loosen it up a bit, and then I'm going in with some gel, like light gel. I didn't have to use too much, but if it is that you didn't have any product at all in your hair, and also you want to be conscious of your curl pattern. We have to be realistic with our curl patterns to make sure that we know it will match the clip-ins, unless you're going to use heat and then you're going to have to do wand curls and all of that. But looking at the hair pattern, I knew it would match me somewhat. It won't be a perfect match, but it will be close enough. So I'm gonna go in with She Balm Edge Control, and I use this brush to just brush my hair back. So this is just the wet version before it's dry. I already kind of figured how I wanted my hair to lay. So like I said, I wanted it to be like a flip over method. So by brushing my hair back, I'm covering the weft of the clip-in. So I'm just going to keep brushing back until I'm satisfied, do a little soup to the dupe edges and all of that. I just love using an edge control in the front to lay it down because it's going to give like the perfect lay. So then I go in with the molding wrap just to dry it down, and I'm gonna leave that on there until I do my makeup and all of that until it's fully dried. Now it is time to shape the hair, and the thing with clip-ins now, girl, when you take these out, you might want to mark them to see where you had each, like if you number them, because we need to trim. Like you can't avoid a trim because it's gonna be too long in the back, especially if you use all the same length. So unless you buy different length clip-ins for the two bundles, maybe buy 18, put the 18 at the back and then a 20 on top. But I didn't think of that until after I put it in, so I had to cut it to shape it. So I'm gonna go in with my diffuser to help the drying process and also to give me some volume while the hair dries. So this is how the hair is looking after it is fully dried. And girl, let me tell you, this has to be, like I said, top 2 of my best clip-ins I have ever done because I am in love. People keep asking me, girl, what is the wig link? I'm like, wig babes, this is clip-ins. I am loving it. All the details will be in the description box down below. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. I love y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.